Okay, so for this final project, I have created a web app that will detect labels from images that is stored inside my S3 buckets. So the web app's gonna look like this. This is a URL that's been given by Elastic Beanstalk. I can provide a file name right here. Since inside of my S3 buckets I have 3 images, I will choose horse JPG. It's just an image of a horse. So I'm gonna horse JPG. I get the labels, and it gave me back the response that is the label of the horse animal with those confidence levels. Alright, and I'm gonna recreate this from scratch. First I would have to have my a IAM user. Go to my IAM user. I have 2 users at the moment, and this is the user that I'm going to use. This user have S3 full access, so I can access S3 buckets whenever I want. I can read from it, I can write to it, and since I'm using recognition service, I'm gonna have recognition read only access. I don't want to write to the recognition. So since I have these 2 policies, I'm good to go. I'm going to sign out and sign in into this IAM user. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to log into the Elastic Beanstalk console. And let's start it. Create new application. Cancel. Okay, I'm going to go back out. Build the web app. Since I'm having a Node platform, that's weird. Okay. Reload. Oh, okay. So it's in the role as well. I'm gonna sign out and give my IAM user full access of Elastic Beanstalk as well. So sign into my root first. That's a root account. So I'm going back to IAM and go to new user. I'm going to add a permission, anything that's related to Elastic Beanstalk because I wasn't able to access it. I'm going to give Elastic Beanstalk full access. Next, and add permission. Okay. I'm going to log out and switch to this user. Sign into console. Alright, so that's the web app that's already been launched. I'm going to launch another one. Deploy a new version. Deploy. Create. Launch. There. So I'm going to create a new web app. I'm going to name it demo.app. Choose a platform since this application is in NodeJS. I'm gonna upload my code. So for this code, it's a NodeJS web app, and it's using Express platform. These are all the headers, and since I'm using AWS ADK, I'm including that as well, and all of the configuration goes here. And this is creating an instance of the recognition API, rendering the HTML or the HES index page as I get the requests. And then these are parameters for the recognition. I'm passing the bucket's name in it, and this is where I getting the label response from the recognition API, and then I render it into the front page, which is here. Okay, I'm gonna delete this one for now. Save. And I'm gonna zip this file so that you can include it in our environment. Everything looks good. Let's zip it. Let's call it package. Now I'm going to include the package zip folder in here. Open. And then upload it. Create applications. This will take a few minutes. Alright, so the health looks okay, everything looks fine. Go into the URL and same thing. Okay, so the file gives back these labels. If I try to put something that is not inside of buckets, let's say cat.jpg, it will give me an error saying that the object is not inside.